Hello everyone, and in this video we're going to continue polishing our articles website. Look how cute it looks. We have our pagination, everything working, yeah. But the only thing is missing right now. We haven't provided like we haven't provided to our users a search, right? If they want to search for an article or something, they can do that. This is very important, right? So we need to work on this. Um, so um, we can just, I'm planning to implement a model here. So when you click like in this um, object that is item that is missing here in the nav bar, boop, it will open a model. For example, like in materialize, they have a like model. They, for example, when you click, boop, it will show this. So I'm planning to have like something like that, but instead of like this text of agreement or whatever, I want a little like input for search, just like that, like here. Yep. Um, yeah, let's just copy this. Just copy all of that. Beautiful. Let's go to, so we want this search to load in all of these pages. So let's just paste it in, in base. Um, let's just paste it. Let me see where. Here, here. Let's go here. Boom. Model. Okay, so we have our model here. Yep. Let's just go to here and put search. Yep. Um. Now let's change that. The URL. Um, I don't think that we need that. So for this is very important for the link, as you can see here. Let's just we need to put like class and then um, this is the bottom, but we don't have we don't need the we are putting the action in this nav bar, so we need to put the class model trigger, and then the let's put like the data target, and then oops, data target, and then model one. This is the ID, this ID. So we don't need this. Okay, model one. It's very important that you put like uh, the class like that in the data target. Let's see. Let's reload.
VoiceOver
What is
speaks
this?
descriptions of items on the screen.
Okay. Search. It's not working. Oh yeah, this part we use JavaScript. Like we need to, yeah, yeah, we need to activate this. Just copy that. Let's go to static JavaScript. Just paste it here. Boom. It's being activated. Let's reload.
Welcome to VoiceOver.
What is
VoiceOver
this?
speaks.
Seriously? Okay. Um, It's not working. The thing is that we need to load like the just reload. That's the thing. I'm trying to reload, but I don't know why. It's not reloading because I need to reload the. Let me see how you can reload in. I don't know. I mean, like everything I have like this. Um, yeah, like model one, model trigger, the class. Um, yeah, I don't know. Data target. Yeah, is it so if this is happening to you, let me just go here. I just opened another like Firefox. I just opened a Firefox. As you can see, it's loading. The thing is that um sometimes when you make changes to the JavaScript, so all of the JavaScript files are like in cache in Chrome. So you don't have to download the file again, like reload it. So let's see. Yeah, it won't work, but it was working. As you can see here, it's working. So yeah, if you can use I know, like in in Firefox it's command F5 to refresh like with um with all the files and everything. I don't know here why it's not how you can do that. Um, but yeah, anyway, okay, let's just continue. So let's just modify this. Um, just close that. Okay, okay, let's modify that. Here we want H4. We wanted to say search. Then we don't need that. Um, so like here in the we want a form, right? Right, because we want to put like a little input here. So that's what we want. Let's just put one input and type test and the name, let's name it Q, and then placeholder, let's put a search on articles, and then yep, and then like here it's very important, like here let's put value, and then let's do this, let's open this tag and put request dot get, all capitalized, and then Q. This is to create our like query. Let's great. Now let's put yeah, let's put a type submit, and then let's put a value search. Good. Yeah, it's awesome. Um, so we have everything here. And let's see, let's reload. Yep. And now let's rename it. Put it like close. I don't know. Yeah. So it looks great. Now let's put this to work in our views. Let's go to our views, impose views. So yeah, let's do it like here in the index. Um, yep. So the first thing that we need to do is the helpers. Uh, we have, for example, we want to search in the articles, which means in the models. So we need to import like this helper. And for example, if you go to the documentation, let's see, models queue. It's like a query set or something, just to make like queries. It's just important. Models import queuing. Um, query expressions. Mhm. So yeah, like in the query expressions, it just talk to you a lot about like the the queries that you can make and everything. Let me see. Wow. Yeah, and it can show you the SQL expressions. I will look. Um, it's just go ahead and let me just go to the top and then let's copy that. Let's copy that and let's put it here with our models, and then we actually want the queue. Import queue. Beautiful. Okay, now let's create like here. Let's put search. So now we can have like we know like what is that for. So here let's put first we need to create a variable that will hold whatever we are passing to the input queue. Remember here, oops, base. Remember here like queue, right? Um, yeah. So we want so we when we want so we want to work with the query before the pagination. So yeah. So whatever when we search, we want to do the search first and then like the paginator. I just put that here then here. Yep. So it takes so we're putting this on top. So when we do our search, the paginator takes the query to know all the articles. Understand? I hope that makes sense. What I'm saying is that it will not only take all the articles that are here, just the search, because we want the search to work in the paginator too, right? Let's create like if query, if we're making a query, articles dot, I mean like article for articles dot filter because we're doing like a little search, we're like filtering here, and then that's where our queue start working here. And then we want the search to look in the title. So let's just put title underscore, and then we want e. We have to put like I contains equals, and then you put query. Basically, here what we are saying, like if the query contains, I mean, if the title contains whatever we are passing in the query, or or just one queue content e contains query, because we wanted to look in the content too. Then yeah, so now here we can just put that this thing. What this basically does, at the end we add this, so this will remove like any duplicated like article in our query, right? um yep, let's see. I think that should, let me see, let's let's see how it works now. um mm. Oh yeah, we need to we need to create, I forgot, we need to create a variable here, so that takes the queue. That's why it's throwing an error like, hey, what is that? um if query, so like just for the query, if the query, if in our equal request that get that queue, because we want to get the queue. Oops, let's put it here. Boom. Okay, let's try with that, like Subaru. Subaru, hit enter, and here we go, just the Subaru. And then let's try with McLaren, McLaren, here we go. And then let's try with NASA. We have like different like NASA articles. We show the different like NASA. Here we go. Yeah. Um, let's put this here. Boom. Yep. Great. We have our yep. We have our search. It works great. But now but we have our search. But remember that we just work here in the index. For example, we need to make it work to category and like tags, right? I will leave you with that as a homework, and I know that you can do it. And it's the same process that we did here. We first create a variable that will take the request queue, and then if we have the request, we just make a little filter here with the articles, and then here the paginator will take those articles, and yeah, that's how it is. First, we filter the articles by status and order, and then here we filter those articles by the query in our base, like this queue, if we get it. If we get like any If not, it would just like load the articles. But if we get it, we search, we make a little like filter here. We will like reassign the articles variable to articles, and then like a little make a little filter here, and then yeah, pass those articles to the paginator. Yeah, that's how it works. Um, if you get stuck or have like problems, leave it in the comments section below, please. I know sometimes I it's kind of like hard if I don't explain it like really well. Just let me know. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.